Well, hello there. I've been growing some plants and measuring their heights. Here's a table showing the heights of 10 of my plants. But we can display this same data in a way that makes it easier to analyze by making a line plot. To make a line plot, we should first create a frequency table to organize the data. A frequency table uses numbers to show how many times a given response occurs. Our frequency table should have 3 columns, one for the heights, one for the tallies, and one for the frequency of each height. We'll put a mark in the tally column each time the height is shown. The first height in inches is 10 1/4, then 9 1/2, 10, 10 1/4, and 10 1/2. That's the first column of the data table. Now, let's finish the frequency table by recording the rest of the heights. The remaining heights are 10 1/2, 10 1/4, 10 3/4, 9 3/4, and 10. Now we count the tallies for our frequency. So, 9 1/2 has 1, 9 3/4 has 1, 10 has 2, 10 1/4 has 3, 10 1/2 has 2, and finally 10 3/4 has 1. Now we'll draw a number line that includes all the values we need to display. Notice that our data values fall between 9 inches and 11 inches. So, our number line should go from 9 to 11 with intervals of 1/4. Next, we mark a dot for each tally for the values in the data set. Be sure to write a title for the line plot and use a label that describes the numbers on the line. The tallies are 1 each for 9 1/2 and 9 3/4, 2 for 10, 3 for 10 1/4, 2 for 10 1/2, and 1 for 10 3/4. So, this line plot displays the data from the frequency table of recorded heights in inches for my plants. Line plots are an easy-to-read display for data.